Guys, a warm good afternoon to one and all. I am D. Vinita from AID B section. Today I am going to explain about Python from the beginning. What is Python? What? It is a programming language. Python is a programming language, and who invented Python? It is invented by Guido von Rossum in 1991. In Python, see, it is a simple language. So to print anything like AD host class, right? To print this, we have to just use print. And we have to use either double quote or single quote. If you use single quote also it will print, if you use double quote also it will print. We can use any of it. And next, indentation. In Python, indentation is very important. See, we have to use at least like, if you use if or else, then we have to use indentations for it. While we use, see, if a is equal to 0, we will take. Here if you want to print anything, we have to use your indentation. Indentation means spaces. We can either use 1 space or 2 space or 3 space or 4 space. Any spaces we can use. But the thing is, if I use here 2 spaces, if I print here also I have to use only 2 spaces. Otherwise you will get an error. So it is about indentation. And next, comments. Comments is used to understand the code. See, for these small codes, we no need to understand more. But we'll have some long codes, right? To understand it, we will, to understand the long codes, we will use comments. See here, I know this is comment. For commenting, I'll use hash. For single line comments, means only one line. For single line comments, I'm using hash. See, for this I'm using hash and I'm saying that I'm printing AD hostlers. This is one reason we will use the comments, and another reason is if, see, here I am taking a is equal to 10 and a is equal to 20, print a, which will be printed, 20 will be printed, right? So in order, I have to only print a is equal to 10. I don't want to print a is equal to 20. What should I do? I have to keep it as comment. So that the a will be printed as 10, and here I use it as comment now, so it will be comment and it will not be printed as 20. So we'll use comments for two reasons. First reason is to know about the code, and the second reason is to not print any like variable or any set of instructions which is given by us. So for that we will use comments. And next, multi-line comments. For single line we will keep hash, it's enough. But for multi-line, what we have to use? Anyone know? See, we have to use this. We have to use this one, otherwise we can use double quotes. This is single quotes. We have to use 3 single quotes. Otherwise we have to use 3 double quotes. We have to either use single quotes or double quotes, but 3 should be there, it's mandatory. Then only it will be taken as comment. Okay, see. This is AID hostlers. As I have taken 2 lines, I have to mention in multi-line comments. But if I take this one only as AID hostlers, in 1 line, right? So I can use here hash. So this is all about comments. Why do we use variables? Variables to assign a value. See, as I will assign a is equal to 10, right? To assign the value of this, I have to use the variable. So I am using a as a variable here, and I have assigned the value as 10 to it. So this is the variable. In variable, we will have casting, typecasting. I take an a is equal to 10, what is 10? Int or char or int or float or tuple, or what is it? Int. So I will get as a is equal to int type of a. If I ask to print type of a, then the type will be printed. I have already told, right, we can use single quote or double quote, anything is okay with it. It will print the value. Case sensitive. Python is case sensitive. See, I have taken a is equal to chocolate seed. I have given here I have given here capital A and I asked to print small a. Will it print? No, because I have assigned a value with capital A, so the small a will not be printed. So that's why it is case sensitive. Variable names. We have already said variables is used to assign the value. And here I have used only A, B, C, D. For this there is no need of doing so much. But if I given C, if I given like anyone name, I am giving my name, I am assigning my name as Vinita is equal to 10. I have assigned like this, variable name is my name. So it is a long variable, right? We will have some conditions for variables. While we are assigning a value for the variable, the first thing is we have to we have to start with my name or underscore or alphabets, that's it. We can use alphabets or underscore. Any other thing should not be used. If you give a variable name like not underscore, this is I have given like this and I have assigned a value as 10. It will show an error because it should not be printed in that way. And next, even with number, a variable even cannot be started with a number also. Only it will start with underscore and alphabets. I told about case sensitive. And one more thing is we cannot use like any symbols or special cases in this to print. Only we can use the underscore is the only word which can be used. And underscore is the only thing which should be used and others should not be used. Keywords. One more thing is keyword should not be used as a variable name. Do you know true? We have 36 keywords. This is a keyword, but this is not a keyword. You know there will be somewhat differences in keywords, so those only should be used. And in this way it will be printed. Last topic is about if we have to give multi-word variable names. Like I have said, if I used only my name, it is only one word, so it's okay. If I want to give my class variable, if I want to assign these three, how will I have to give it? For this also we will have three cases. One is camel case, Pascal and snake case. Did anyone hear about these three cases? Okay. For assigning the multi-word variables, we have to use these three cases. What is camel case? In camel case, I have given my class variable. In this I am using first as small one and second class as capital C and V as capital V. Except the first one, remaining everything should be started with a capital letter. See, these are the three different types of words, right? Here the first word should be small and remaining two first letters should be capital. That is camel case. And in Pascal case, three first letters of the three words should be capital. My class variable. Here I have given three words, right? And I've used three words, first letters are capital. And this is, and next snake case. In snake case, we use underscore to make them differentiate the multiple words. See, after my, this is one word, right? I'll give one underscore. And I'll write class. After class, I'll give one underscore and variable. This is used to just know that there are three words are there in these multi-word variables. So that's why we are using these three cases. Thank you.